Happily, a lot of vegans are starting to realise that for health, it's not enough simply just to drop animal products out of the diet, although that is a very good thing to do for many reasons, but actually we need to eat a whole foods vegan or whole foods plant-based diet. This diet excludes things like salt, refined sugar and refined oils. The number one question I get asked on the channel probably, how the hell do I cook without oil? So today we're going to show you an amazing meal, and we're going to include 5 methods and strategies so that you can cook without those pesky oils. Tip 1, avoid roasting or frying with oil. So we're going to make some tofu and some oven chips slash fries for my American viewers. Step 1, be pressing your tofu. You can pop these in a bowl and sprinkle on herbs and spices at this stage if you like. I'm not going to today. I will, however, add parchment paper to the baking tray, just so the chips don't stick, and place them out evenly. Cook them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, for 40 minutes, flipping halfway. Then we'll make a marinade for the tofu. Here's the recipe in case you want it, one of our faves. We've got 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we cube the tofu. And then you just coat in the marinade. Oh. So we're going to pop these into the air fryer, 20 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. If the oven was free, you can oven cook them 25 minutes, again 200 degrees. That's 390 Fahrenheit. For tip number 2, we're going to talk about the concept of steam frying. Pop your veggies into a pan, preferably non-stick, and we're going to add a little water at a time as necessary. So in that way, the food's not swimming in water, you're not boiling it, and the food can caramelize and create, a much more delicious flavour. When there's like a minute left to go, it's time to add in the herbs and spices. In case you're interested, I'm going in with Chinese 5-spice, garlic, tamari, and some fresh coriander. For tips 3 and 4, we're handing over to past Gemma, who made some muffins earlier today. Tip 3, mashed banana, mashed cooked pumpkin and applesauce, as you can see here, can substitute for oil in baking in a 1-to-1 ratio. The full recipe for these gingerbread muffins is listed below in case you'd like it to get you going. Tip 4 is to use silicone cookware. It's non-toxic and there's no need to grease the pans with oil. Tip number 5 is using nut or seed butters to replace oil in salad dressings and sauces. So for this salad dressing, we're going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of tahini. So that's your fat, and then we're going to go with a spot of sweet. This time we're using date syrup. Salty, just a little pinch of salt in this case. And then we also want an acid, so this time I'm going in with lime juice. You may need to add a little water to loosen. Here's the finished article. If you're struggling to find time to cook delicious healthy meals like this, check out our new Speedy Vegan cookbook, which is available to pre-order now at 10% off. And also, if you like the information presented in this video, then you'd love our online course. It contains 14 videos, all our cookbooks, and several downloadable printable PDFs, including a nutrition chart for all ages and stages of life, so you can be sure that the whole family is thriving. Now click this.